Hitting a workout plateau is a common occurrence for fitness enthusiasts of all levels. Despite maintaining your exercise program, you may find that you're not progressing as expected. Here are 6 ways to break through a workout plateau. Switch up your routine. Vary the intensity, duration, and type of your workouts. If you usually do high-intensity exercises, try swimming, rowing, or cycling at a slower pace. To boost endurance, extend your workout sessions. Alternatively, explore yin yoga or tai chi classes. If you haven't been pushing yourself hard enough, lift heavier weights, increase repetitions, and shorten rest periods. 1. Try something new. Challenge your body by exploring a different activity, sport, or exercise class. Novel movements can stimulate progress and prevent plateaus. Periodize your training plan. Divide your training into cycles with varying intensities and goals. This approach helps prevent adaptation and keeps your body responsive to changes. Incorporate progressive overload techniques. Gradually increase the demands on your muscles. Lift heavier weights, add more reps, or adjust exercise variables to continually challenge yourself. Train with a professional. Seek guidance from a personal trainer or fitness coach. They can provide fresh perspectives, correct form, and tailor workouts to your needs. Rest, relax, and recover. Adequate rest is essential for growth and adaptation. Prioritize sleep, manage stress, and allow your body time to heal and rebuild. 1. Remember, plateaus are normal, and with these strategies, you can overcome them and continue progressing on your fitness journey.